Well, Bhag Milkha Bhag's success has brought the spotlight back on sports films and has made way for many more biopics that have interestingly become a preferred route now for directors. So here's giving you a lowdown on all the forthcoming sports film in the pipeline.
Priyanka Chopra packing in a punch in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's biopic on world boxing champion Mary Kom. And not so far behind is Ritesh Deshmukh, who is producing a biopic on Olympic medalist and India's first wrestler Kashba Jadhav. While Priyanka will be seen portraying the trials and tribulations of five-time boxing champion Mary Kom, she insists it's the human story that will engage the audience.
It makes it difficult, not because she's a huge figure and the expectations will be high, but whenever you do a biopic, usually, most biopics are done on people who are either retired, relatively older, and then their life story is being told, or they're deceased and you're telling their story. Mary is 32 years old. She is an existing sports person. She still is a champion boxer. She's going to be playing that sport. That is what makes it difficult. Is to play a living, breathing person who is literally almost similar to the age that I am going to be playing. Though Mary Kom in the film is about Mary, the real person, not the girl on the covers of magazines, not the girl who's sitting and doing your interviews, but where she started from. So when she was 19, you start the film there, you know, and tell her story and her journey to where she's reached. It's not about after she became a star. So it's that journey, it's the real girl, it's her vulnerabilities, it's her fears, it's her journey, it's her fight.
Even the young heartthrob Arjun Kapoor will be seen in Tevar, a film on Kabaddi.
I'm doing my father's home production, which Sanjay and my father are producing together with Eros International. That's called Tevar. That's got Sonakshi and Manoj Bajpayee. I'm playing Kabaddi in the film for almost 2 or 3 major sequences.
Is so ill-utilized in this nation. So we also have our people. We have our sustainabilities, but they are hidden. They are hidden behind sports authorities. They are hidden behind don't want to discover sport. Don't want the champions. Because then the sheen or the spotlight will shift from the official to the player.
Reports also suggest that the lives of cricketer Mohammad Azharuddin and hockey legend Dhyan Chand will also be replicated on screen soon.
Well, sports defines grit, glory and spirit. And it's that human element or the inspirational journey of a sports star that gets the audience hooked. We'll have to wait and watch if these upcoming films manage to do just that or more.